Good afternoon everyone, this is Connor from Zenfinex and welcome to the Zenfinex monthly forecast videos, the first one for July. Today I'm going to be covering a highly volatile industry again, and that is the cryptocurrency industry. Specifically I'm going to be going through Ethereum. As I'm sure many of you are aware, cryptocurrency has really been struggling as of late. So I'm going to run through some fundamental analysis explaining the reasons behind this, and then head over to the chart to see if this is the start of a new trend or it's actually a great buying opportunity. Now at the time of recording this video, Ethereum is sitting around the yearly lows, but I'm going to see if we can have a bounce from this level. So what is Ethereum? I'll just give a quick introduction really. Ethereum was launched back in 2015 and it's widely known as an open source based platform. Now Ethereum is also a decentralized public ledger for verifying and recording transactions. And compared to Bitcoin really, it's been such a great performer. Before the crash, we saw it up nearly 500% in 2021. I think that was back in mid-May. But since those all-time highs, Ethereum has lost nearly 60%. And so really this is definitely a crash and not a dip. But why is this happening? Well, the main issue really is to do with regulation, especially in China. Most recently, the Chinese financial authorities said that banks were not allowed to offer crypto to their clients, which has really caused this much wider and much larger crypto sell-off. Now, just to give you some update on this, we've had another mini dip really in price, and the reason for this is yesterday China Central Bank says they said banks and payment firms must not provide services including opening accounts, registration, transaction, clearing and settlement for cryptocurrency related speculations. They've urged banks and payment companies to promptly cut payment channels for cryptocurrency trading. Now I'm aware this may not be great news for most of you, but this really is the reality of the situation at the moment. This is likely to continue the downside at least for this month, or price may just loiter around this level. Now many will argue that this is going to pass and this has just been a necessary correction. Just to remember that the market is still up this year. But where could Ethereum go in the next month? Let's take a look at some key levels on the chart. Okay, so looking on the chart now, let's try and look at some real key levels to watch out for at the moment. Now, I'll just want to put some stuff into context really. This is where we had this January 2021. This is where the opening price was. And as you can see, price shot up all the way up to around 4,500. Which if I just quickly mark that for you, that is 425% gain, right? Which is crazy numbers really. And since then we've had a drop from where we are up here down to the 1867 we are now, which is around a 60% loss from where we were. But if you actually draw the price level from the market open and to where it is now, we're still up around 150 or 140% on this market. So people argue here that there is no real reason to panic. Where could price fall to at the moment? Well, I'm going to mark some key levels for you straight away really. So we've had... Hi guys, thank you for listening to this video. Just really quickly wanted to touch on a really exciting offer we have on the website. It's a limited time offer, and if you head over to zenfinex.co.uk, you will see the offer in front of you straight away, and this is that you can trade Forex on a standard account with raw spread plus zero commission. And now Zenfinex is also an FCA and no dealing desk execution broker. If you are interested in this offer, you can get in touch with the team by clicking learn more, or you can simply go to open an account where you can start the application process. The most important thing to look out for me right now is where this daily candle closes today really. Now this candle isn't great reading, to be honest. It looks like price wants to go and break below the 200-day moving average, but it's around here where we might see some more either short-term pain or short-term bounce if we're talking about July's forecast. Now if we were to get a break below the 200-day moving average, a break below the 200-day moving average today, I'd expect price to do something a bit like this, and to be honest, the next test really will be either around 1500 or even down at around 1,000, which I think all of these levels in the long term are great discount levels for Ethereum, but we have to judge it on what we think we're going to see for July. And I'll just quickly mark for you the 2021 open price, because I really do believe that this would be the floor of the market, should we say, down here, down at around 723. If we can get an entry down there, then that's really will be a long-term hold for me. But just for July, maybe a bounce down into 1,500 or 1,000 if it closes below the 200-day moving average. If we can get a bounce above the 200-day moving average, the next levels to look out for me will be up at around 2,000. If we can get around to 2,000, break above, then maybe go and look to test the 100-day moving average, which we're now trading down below, which will be sitting at around 2,500. Get a break above there, then we can start looking for around 3,000. So overall, I still think we're in a great discount level, as I said, but there may be some short-term pain to come. If I can just mark some swing lows, that one at around 1,500, this one at around 1280, and we've got the 2021 open price. They're the next levels I see potentially price falling down to. If we have a look at the upside potential, then if I'm looking to trade, then I'll be looking at around 2,500 as a buy and take profit level, with potentially a stop loss if we entered the market around where it is now. A stop loss just below the 200-day moving average, maybe around 1,800. Aiming for those highs at 2,500 if you're a bull for Ethereum, and you're looking at around a 6.23R trade. So that's what I see for Ethereum at the moment, guys. And just a quick note as well, we do see its RSI indicator now well and truly out of these overbought territory, back at the all-time highs, but actually approaching potentially oversold territory. So I do think there are buying opportunities coming up for Ethereum. Let's have a bit of patience to see whether we can hold this 200-day moving average, then maybe get in a trade, or we just have a stop just below it as well. So that's it today, guys, for Ethereum. Hope you all enjoyed this video. This is our first Ethereum video as well, but there'll be many more to come. If you enjoy the cryptocurrency forecasts, just drop a comment on the comment section. Please continue to like and subscribe to this channel as well. It's really helped boosting the channel, which is great for us at the moment. Other than that, guys, I'll catch you all for the next video, which will be tomorrow.